everyone, welcome back to my channel, Real Literature and Random Videos by Neha Sultana. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet, and today I would like to take a moment to properly introduce myself. I'm currently a student pursuing a Bachelor of Education degree. Before this, I completed my Masters from English. I completed my masters in English from English literature from Gulbarga University, and alongside my studies, I love creating educational content here on YouTube for all of you, hoping it makes your learning journey a little easier and more enjoyable. Okay. And in today's video, we will be exploring इनमें से किसी का भी syllabus. Okay, we will just explore the syllabus, what is there in their content. Okay, first we will see all of these books like this. So I have gathered this, I have collected these books for a purpose. After my examination of first semester of B.Ed, I have to go for training in the school named, I guess, Grammar Multimedia. Grammar Multimedia School. So there I have to take classes for 8th and 9th standard, and in B.Ed my subjects are social science and English. Okay, so these are the books that I have collected, not only for B.Ed training but also for TET exam, CET exam. Yes. Okay, so in today's video we will be exploring I just love playing games. So okay, playing games like this, tick 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 tick, and then selecting. So let me guess. Okay, so in today's video we will be exploring the English medium state syllabus for 9th standard. Okay, so this is the part 1 here, and this is the part 2. So we will explore, we will see what is there in the content of 9th standard, and both part 1 and part 2, to get an overview of what's included. So we will just look into the syllabus, and I just hate it when paper gets folds in this manner. I just really I just hate when this type of bad thing happens with books. It's like the keeper is not good with books. Okay. So we will just look into the syllabus and its content to understand what student will be studying this academic year. Okay. And yes, one more thing that I will have to say, if you would really like me to explain any of these lessons from 9th standard or any class, okay, for any class, if you want me to explain any of this lesson in detail, please do let me know in the comments. And if this comment section reads at least 100 comments, I promise I'll start making dedicated lesson explanation videos. Okay, where I'll walk you through each lesson in better way to make you understand easily. Okay, and one more thing that I wanted to share you, just to share a bit personally, I'm actually filming this video right in the middle of my examination period, and after almost a month of non-stop preparation and revision, I felt like I needed a short creative break. I needed a creative break, and to refresh my mind, making videos like this not only helps me unwind, but also keeps me connected with all of you. So first we will see part 1, and then we will see this part 2. Okay, and if you are also studying or preparing for exams, remember, it's completely okay to take a short breaks. Okay, they can really help you come back with a clearer mind and more energy. So without any further delay, let's dive into today's topic. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And your support, truly means a lot, like I always say to you, and keeps me motivated to bring more educational content for you. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's get started. So here we have in prose section the best advice I ever had. Muritius the Collectors, the portrait of a lady, a question of space. And then here the grass is really like me in poems. The first poem is the grass is really like me, and the second one is Africa, the village schoolmaster, and the third one is tiger, and the fifth one is the pencil story. Okay, and in supplementary reading, the goat and the stars, earthquake, and last they have letter writing and what is that, determiners. Okay, so that's it for part 1. And part 2, yeah, here we have all stories are ananses on saying please. And the third prose is the 8th one is the storyteller, an astrologer's day, and a dream of flight. And in poems we have the bold peddler and Robin Hood, geography lesson, ethics, goodbye party for Miss Pushpa TS, and photography. And in supplementary reading they have balai and letter writing and determiners as usual. Okay, that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.